Are you struggling with Variadic non-type templates in C++? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many developers face when trying to match template types. I totally get it. It can be incredibly frustrating when your code doesn't behave as expected, especially when you're trying to create type traits. You're in the right place to find a solution. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. A user asked how to create a type trait called match class that returns true for two types of foo or bar, but false if they are mixed. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. To understand the issue, we need to look at the template specialization rules in C++. In C++ 14, you might encounter an error due to non-deducible template parameters. Let's break this down. And stick around. By the end of this video, you'll not only have a workaround for C++ 14, but also insights into the behavior of C++ 17. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. To create a workaround for the match class type trait in C++ 14, the user can utilize a helper struct to deduce the template parameters. This will allow the user to maintain the same syntax for testing the type trait. Next, the user should define the match class struct using this helper. This will ensure that the type trait behaves correctly for both foo and bar types. Now, the user can extend the match class struct to handle the bar types as well. This will complete the implementation and ensure that the type trait works for both struct types. Finally, the user can test the match class implementation with the provided static assertions in the main function. This will confirm that the type trait behaves as expected. Fun fact, did you know that C++ has been around since the early 1980s? It's amazing how far we've come, but some issues still trip us up today. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution for matching Variadic non-type templates in C++ 14 involves creating a template metafunction. This metafunction identifies the class template of its argument type without needing to manually specialize type traits or modify the original structs. The user provides a detailed implementation that includes an alias template for ease of use. This allows for a straightforward way to implement the match class trait, ensuring it works correctly in C++ 14. Here's a pro tip. Always check the compiler version and the standard you're using. Different versions of C++ can behave differently, and being aware of this can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You've learned how to tackle Variadic non-type templates in C++ and found a workaround for C++ 14. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more coding tips and tricks.